Yeah, good day YouTubers. I just want to show you a quick a video I made of my filter system. I got two 5.5 litre plastic containers with lids that I just bought from the supermarket. The top lid's got a little hole in for vent. Then I drilled a hole in it so I can fit this little tap in it. So it's just a tap. So that's the open position, closed position. That's the bottom part of the filter system. That's the inside of the tap, just comes with a nut. I use a wood drill to drill the holes. Then I've got the other second container, which is exactly the same as the first container, that fits on top. This filter, all this you can buy by the brew shop. That's just a EZ carbon filter. Another 5.5 litre container. Now this one's lid is actually attached onto this one, and I've got, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a big silicone washer. It's actually part of a toilet system, so you can get those at the hardware shop or Bunnings or Masters or any plumbing shop. Just big enough so it fits between the two lids, or between a lid and the actual other part. So that's the other lid that just fits straight onto the container, just like that, and it clips nicely into place. So it's just like that. It's got a little hole there at the bottom where the alcohol drips through, and then it goes through the carbon filter and drips down to the bottom. And then the tap, just a little tap to drain it out. This lid it's got a little hole, as you can see there. That's just a vent that goes on top, just like that. So it's just two plastic containers. Doesn't matter what size it is. The actual carbon filter and the insides of the carbon filter, that cost about $8 for a carbon filter. The other parts is probably about $20. These containers about $10 each. So it costs you roughly about $40 compared to the whole system. If you go and buy the whole system, it will probably cost you about $100 if you buy the full EZ system. This is the filter I use. It's called the EZ filter. It's just a carbon filter, specially made by Still Spirits. And you can do a batch of 25 litres of alcohol that's diluted down to at least 50%. And this is the carbon filter that's inside it. That's just a spare filter. So spare carbon filter. So that's how it looks. It's just got a hole through it. Those filters cost about $8, $7 or $8 each. And yeah, thanks for watching. Just an idea of how to make your own filter system for your diluted alcohol. Please note, your alcohol's got to be diluted to at least 50% or less before you filter it through a carbon filter, otherwise it will damage the filter. And the carbon filter actually just take the impurities out of the alcohol. So that's it. There's your little carry handle. If it's empty, carry it. Don't carry it when it's full of alcohol, because the bottom section might just drop off from the lid. And yeah, just an idea of how to make yourself a filter system fairly cheap. All the parts you can get from supermarkets. Some of the washers you can get from the actual plumbing shop that goes between the lid and the top basket, and all the insides, the filter system, the insides, that carbon system, that you can get all from a brew shop. Any brew shop will have it, or you might even get it on eBay. And the same with the tap, you'll get it from a brew shop, or some camping places might have it. Plastic containers, you'll get it from any supermarket. And yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.